Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share a few of the most interesting healing properties of carnelian, as well as a few simple ways that you can work with this stone, even if you're new to crystals. My name is Ashley Leavy, and I'm the founder of the Love and Light School of Crystal Therapy. And I'm so glad that you're here, ready to learn about carnelian, this beautiful, beautiful crystal. Carnelian is a variety of chalcedony, which contains inclusions of iron oxide that can give it a range of colors, from orange to burnt orange and even a light mango color. Carnelian is great to help you overcome negative thought patterns and approach endeavors with new energy. A simple affirmation you can use when working with carnelian is, I am motivated by divine purpose. I allow myself to tap into universal creativity and I feel it flowing through me. As long as I remain focused, I'll manifest my vision with ease. But I'm sure you're anxious to get to know exactly how you can work with carnelian, so let's dive into its healing properties. Carnelian is an excellent stone for helping you feel grounded. It enhances your creative flow and motivation. It stimulates success in business and financial endeavors. It also assists you in overcoming those self-limiting beliefs that can hold you back from things in life. It's great for enhancing sexual energy, improves your concentration, and opens your heart chakra to divine guidance and love. It also instills a sense of peace and calming by helping you get focused and centered in the present moment. And it can even remove negative energy from your environment. For example, it's great for cleansing and purifying, so you can tuck a piece in with your tarot or oracle cards, similar to how you might with selenite. It's associated with the first or root chakra, the second or sacral chakra, and the fourth or heart chakra. And it's connected to the zodiac signs of Aries and Leo. Carnelian strongly resonates with the fire element. Its companion flower is the torch lily, and its companion essential oil is spicy ginger. Its companion stone is blue quartz. Now, it's commonly found in the United States, particularly California, Sri Lanka, China, and India. And on occasion, carnelian is banded, and it's then known as carnelian agate. Let's talk about one really simple way that you can work with carnelian. So during the time of the first quarter moon, when your energy is growing, keep yourself motivated and on track with your new moon goals or intentions by starting to work with carnelian. So if you feel yourself losing steam, just take a few minutes to pause, hold your carnelian, and soak up that energy. The ancient Egyptians actually prized carnelian for reasons that were both practical and energetic or metaphysical. So the history of working with this stone goes back thousands of years. The color reminded the ancient Egyptians of the setting sun over the desert, symbolizing the immortality of the soul. It was often accompanied with turquoise, so that its fiery qualities balanced that of the watery turquoise stones. And the ancient Egyptians personified these qualities through the fierce lion goddess Sekhmet and the more mild Hathor, who sometimes was represented as a cow. Scarab beetles of carnelian were also carved into this stone with hieroglyphics on the bottom. These were used as amulets for both the living and the dead. They could be set in a ring of clay and worn and used as a signature seal, but they were also placed over the heart of the deceased during burial to be used in the afterlife, according to the Egyptian Book of the Dead. Because of its color, carnelian was also associated with the magical blood of the mother goddess Isis, which is likely how it got its historic root and association with reproductive health and childbirth. But carnelian can also be used in modern times. You can work with it in ritual during the time of the corn moon in August. This deep orange stone nourishes you by pulling energy into your aura. Just as we sustain our physical body by enjoying the results of a bountiful harvest, so too must we nourish our energy body. So the corn moon time is about enjoying the fruits of your labor due to efforts you've put in previously. And Carnelian helps you do this in your own life, really at any time, by encouraging joyful activities related to the sacral chakra, like creativity, dancing, and sex. So take part in these pleasurable activities to recharge your energy body. To connect with the energy of the corn moon even deeper, on the evening of the corn moon, write a desire you have about your future spiritual journey on a corn husk and use the husk to wrap up a carnelian stone and some dried loose cedar in a bundle. You might need to tie this with a little string. When you're ready to call this new spiritual energy into you, open the bundle and burn the cedar while holding your carnelian crystal. I hope this video helped you get to know a little bit more about beautiful carnelian and that it will inspire you to try working with this stone. I would love to know how it goes for you, so be sure to leave me a comment below letting me know all about your experience of working with carnelian. To keep in touch, you can also visit me online at loveandlightschool.com or connect with me on social at loveandlightschool. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, many crystal blessings.